Carpet or no carpet? A lot of you love carpet, and frankly, some of you don't ever want to see a stitch of it in any home you're in. I get both extremes regularly. Some people just want it in the bedrooms, and some people don't want it at all. Certainly never ever in the wet areas like the kitchen and the bathrooms, those kinds of places. So perhaps you're looking to list your home soon, and you may have some carpeting in the house and it's not in the best condition. So what do? You don't want to spend an arm and a leg on some expensive flooring, but you want it to look nice and you don't want it to look cheap. So here are a couple of things that you want to think about if you're going to replace the carpeting. First thing, you want to stick with neutral colors. It will brighten up the house, and as always, we want the buyer to be able to visualize their stuff in that house. If you've got some wild color that you love, it may be super distracting to a lot of buyers and a turnoff. So check out the color palettes in these pictures. Light, light, light. I do these light colors in my flip properties and it works really well. Now, second, you want a low pile carpet. That's the way to do it. It keeps it looking nicer and cleaner longer. You want to avoid these shaggy guys here because they are bacteria and odor magnets and not great for your allergies. And they don't look as clean and nice looking as long. So if you're selling your home and you are going to replace the carpeting, do neutrals and low pile. Most likely not going to get a tremendous amount of return on your investment. However, your property will probably sell quicker because it's shining.